Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your OPPO Reno 14 FS without password. Okay, but before we begin, before I show you the steps, let's discuss a few things. The first thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that's, unethical and it's also illegal, so have that in mind. Also, we need to remember about that all of our data will be deleted after this process, so if you don't want to lose your data, you shouldn't perform this method. And also, after the reset, during the setup process, you'll have to log in into the account that you were using before the reset. I mean the Google account. That's the FRP. So you need to have that in mind. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, my device is locked. I cannot remember my password and what to do. So we need to power off our device first. Let's click the power button and volume up button at the same time and select the power off. Okay, and now we will have to enter the recovery mode. To do it, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So keep holding both of the buttons. And when the OPPO logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume down. Okay, in here we need to select our language. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys or we can simply use our finger. It's completely up to you. Now we need to select format data, and now we need to type this code using our keyboard. Okay. Now it's the last thing, that's the last moment to stop, because when we click on format right now, our data will be deleted. So that's the last moment when you can stop. You can see that data has been formatted, click on OK, and now the device has turned off. Within a few seconds it will be turned on, and the next thing that we need to do is to set it up. And remember that you'll have to log in into the account that you were, the Google account that you were using before the reset to go through. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.